3 hours. What time do you finish class?
At 12:30.
Well, you could make the show at 1:35.
Yes, but I need to go to the bank today, too. I have my first paycheck.
Ah, you need to cash your check.
Yes, and I want to send some money home, too. It's my little brother's birthday next week.
Well, you should be able to make the banks before they close at 5. Just go to the nearest bank to the cinema.
Okay.
And don't forget to bring your passport. You'll need it for identification. You'll need to fill in a money transfer.
Are you taking Elena to the movies?
No, Agatha, I'm studying for my final exam. Enjoy yourself.
Thank you, I will.
Yes, enjoy your movie.
I'm also going to send some money home. I got my first paycheck yesterday.
Oh, wonderful! What's the exchange rate for pounds to pesos?
Spain has euro currency.
Of course you do. How silly of me.
Yes.
Have a good day.
Thanks. Yes, Mr. Charles, this is Elena Fuentes. Yes, the teacup. Is it ready? Okay. I'll pick it up in the afternoon. Thanks. Bye. Bye-bye.
Elena, help! There is a big problem.
What's wrong?
That teacup.
Yes?
That horrible, ugly tea set.
But
Betty gave it to me as a birthday present. I hate that tea set.
You do?
I had hoped it was disappearing. Yesterday, one of the cups was missing.
Yes.
And now, today, the teacup is back! Elena, sweetie, are you okay? Oh, the bathroom.
What about the bathroom?
There's a lot of water on the floor.
Hi.
Hi.
Are you all right?
I have a headache and a stomachache.
Oh, you poor girl. Maybe you have the flu.
Victor, what did you ask Elena? Did she say no?
Stop it, Aggie. Elena isn't well.
What's wrong? Oh, my poor darling, you feel hot. She has a slight temperature.
And she says she has stomach aches, too.
She needs to lie down.
Maybe I'll go to the chemist's and get something for her headache.
Yes, good idea.
Okay.
And when you get back, you can fix the bathroom?
What's the matter with the bathroom?
There's a leak under the sink. A big leak.
Oh, no.
I turned off the water.
Okay, I'll be back soon.
I'll make some tea.
Agatha,
Yes?
Betty's ugly teacup is back.
I know. It's strange, isn't it?
Victor and Elena. Victor and Lala. Malika. Amira. Valenka. Michao. Katyushka.
How are you feeling today?
Oh, much better, thank you.
I'm so glad.
Who are these girls?
Which girls, Elena?
The girls in the book.
Oh, them. Girls we know. She's a good friend of mine. Her name is Lala.
Lala.
Yes. You didn't hear about Lala? She's Turkish.
No, I don't think so.
Lala stayed with us last year for a couple of months.
And where is Lala now?
Lala's back in Turkey. She has a nice little flat in the center of Ankara. Oh, and she's Malika. She's Swedish.
Oh, and what does Malika do?
Malika is an airline hostess now. Lovely girl. She has gorgeous blonde hair and the bluest eyes. Oh.
The bathroom sink is okay for now, but we really should call a plumber. Oh. That's Agatha's almost album.
Sorry?
Agatha invites foreign students to stay here and then tries to marry them off to me. It's her biggest project. Right, Aggie?
Well, it would be nice.
Don't worry, Elena. I promise you they're all still living.
Of course.
Of course they are.
Good morning.
Morning.
Morning. So, is it okay to visit you at work?
That would be lovely. I can show you the new scarf collection.
Oh, are there any left? You didn't buy them all?
Oh, don't be silly. I only have 3 or 4.
Is Churchill's a very big store?
Yes, it's huge. It's one of the oldest in London.
Oh.
It's got 5 floors. And anyway, I'd be crazy not to use my staff discount.
Of course. You would.
Do you have a break in the afternoon?
I have a tea break at 3. Why don't you come a half hour before?
2:30?
Yes, and I can show you around my department.
Where is the ladies' department?
On the 4th floor. Just take the lift and walk through children's wear.
Okay, can I buy you a cup of tea?
Oh, yes! Let's go to Churchill's tea room in the basement. We have the yummiest cream cakes.
What else do they sell in Churchill's?
Perfume, jewelry, menswear. We've got household goods and electronical appliances, books and toys. There's a large furniture selection on the top floor, and we also carry electronic equipment.
Well, ladies, have a nice day.
Thanks, you too. Wait, is today Tuesday?
Yes, it is.
Oh dear, I have to be at work early today. Mr. James asked me to help out in the children's shoe department.
Good, I need to buy some children's shoes.
Who for?
My niece, Mercedes,
How old is she?
she's 12.
Uh-huh, and what size shoe does she take?
She's a Spanish 36.
I think that's a 3 here.
Okay.
Oh, that will be fun to choose shoes for her. What colors does Maria like?
Mercedes wears a lot of pink.
Pink? Oh, she's still a little girl.
Agatha, you need to be at work early today, don't you?
Yes, I must go.
Okay, bye.
I'll see you later.
Subscribe and subscription. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Sorry. Remember to subscribe to our channel. I think we should get an annual subscription to the Times. Machine and mechanic. I'm gonna buy a washing machine next month. My girlfriend's father is a car mechanic. Social and society. Facebook is the most popular social network in my country. I believe that everyone wants to live in an equal society. Geography and geographical. Geography is my favorite